So, got nothing else to do right now, so we're gonna mess around, do some welding. I got these Lincoln Electric welding gloves for Christmas. So we got our, I assume that's the brand Auto Arc welding helmet here. Auto darkening, it's just a little dusty right now. Got our wire brush. Don't know why we have a lighter right here. This is one we lit the Christmas tree up with. I'll set this here for right now. Tate made this one time. We welded a bunch of stuff together, I assume. We won't be using that. We'll set this down here. Got my tripod, grinder with a terrible cord. Forget the name of this, but get the slag off. That's the grinder cord. I found these two random pieces of metal. They're really rusty. I should probably clean up with the grinder. I'll weld them together somehow. Maybe I'll weld something like that on there. I'll figure that out. Gloves I won't be wearing, and my charger for my iPod because it's cold outside. And it just gave me the 20% warning. And I think Apple has terrible battery life, whatever the heck you want to call it. So, let's go get some electrodes. We need a light bulb in here, though. We have the little, place you screw it in at. Gonna move this air compressor a little bit. What do we got in here? Oh, all this welding rod we got for free. It's not the best. We got some 7018. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little dark. 7018. Here, let me get my flashlight. Okay, we got my light on. Looks like some 7018. There's a bucket down here. This is I can't tell which way it is. It's like old. These are really old though. I don't know if they're any good. They might be a little wet. That's why the light bulb's in here. Actually, the light bulb burned a hole. That's weird. I don't think we've ever used a light bulb in here as far as we had this. We got some big rods in here. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you the size. Slip this back over. Well, I'm gonna go watch a Chucky 2009 video and see what I should use, because I believe I get Wi-Fi up here in the shop. Because this is stick welding. I'll show you the welder. We got a 20th heavy duty 229 amp welder. 20th century heavy duty. I believe that's the brand. Believe it or not, the house is way there with the green roof and we still get Wi-Fi signal from it. So I'll see what Chucky says to me and I'll let you know. So I grabbed a couple of 7018s. Anyway, these are Chucky 2009s. Favorite rod, but the downside is you get one chance at an arc. Otherwise, it'll be hard to arc it the second time. So I'll probably have a little bit of troubles with that, but it'll be fine. It's not like it's structural, just attempting to practice. So let's get going. So I'm gonna grind them things up, clean them up, and I'm going to, probably can't see it, but switch the switch to grind mode. Loosen this up. There we go. I gotta take my hood off. There we go. Okay. Grab the orange extension cord. And find the end. Hey, Duke. That's working. Where the heck's the guard? Oh, there it is. Never mind. Never mind, I goofed. Okay. I like the way these gloves fit. They're soft inside, believe it or not. First, I'm going to grind this, because this is welded on. Maybe I'll grind, actually, wait. Yeah, I gotta grab this front and a little bit of this off. Need a little bit more. Looks pretty good to me. Now, can I weld it like that, or is it just gonna tip? I'm gonna grind a line on this one. Kind of looks bad, but should do. Should do. And grab one of these electrodes, and we're gonna go over. Anyway, take this. Set these gloves down for now. And there's a slot right here. You put your electrode into, and it'll tell you about the amps you need. So this looks like a 1/4. It's a big rod. 250 to 295 amps, filling or buildup. I don't know what that means. Loosen this up. Chucky said it's a middle medium voltage. Wait. I'll go over here to 250. Whoa, we didn't go where? There we go. That is a big rod. I guess we'll start there. Where is... what the heck? Here's our clamp. There's a ground spot off right there. And we need forget the name of it. Let's take the grinder, set it on the ground, and unplug it. Okay. Let's get this, put it in here.